What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vic, and I got the JoJo Lena with me. In today's video is going to be a bunch of small jobs. And can you make money doing small jobs? And if you watch the video to the very end, we'll let you know how much profit we made and how much money we made.
And then you can tell us if small jobs are worth it.
So stay tuned for the whole video. It's going to be an awesome video. And also, if you haven't yet, go check out my buddy Tim Doss from Junk Mob. What's he doing, JoJo?
Well, he is back in the junk removal game, and he's starting over from scratch, even with a new phone number. So follow him, subscribe, and watch him on his journey, because he is showing you step by step how he is restarting his junk removal business.
From the bottom, from scratch. So go check him out. I'm going to leave a description to his YouTube channel right there. Go check him out. And also, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers. We're working on the hauling and balling gear. We got some badass gear, coming out.
Yep, we're going to have sweatshirts and hoodies and hauling and balling mugs so you can get coffeeed up in the morning before you go do your junk removal.
So hopefully you're coffeeed up right now. You're out there getting money. Now, subscribers, please let me know if I'm tripping or not. This street's called Cox Drive. And then this next street is called Fister Drive. Leave a comment down below if that's just filthy nasty or not. What do you think, JoJo? Cox and Fister Drive, baby.
Makes you wonder about the planning commission.
Oh, yeah.
So our first job of the day is a repeat customer.
So let's check out the job. This stuff's going right here. And there's also these two tables right here are going. This pallet's going. There's a little rocking chair inside. A little bit of carpet in here. Let me show you real quick. So all these carpets right here need to go. And then just this little pile right here.
Okay.
And that's it.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Now, about 10 minutes later, job is complete, and I would say that was some easy money. And subscribers, let's play a game. Leave a comment down below on each job we do, what you would charge. And at the very end, JoJo, what are we gonna do?
At the very end, we're gonna let you know how much we made throughout our entire day.
And let's see who gets the closest. So yeah, leave a comment down below what you would charge for each job. Now we're heading to the next one. You ready?
I'm ready.
It's gonna be like a 10-minute job again. So now we're pulling up to the next job, and they found us on the web, and they said that 1-800 got junk, ripped them off last time, so we're showing up this time. Let's get this money. And it's a hot tub cover and a trash can, baby. Just what I like, easy money. Oh yeah. So just like that, and I lied. It was a 2-minute job, not a 10-minute job. But anyways, we're heading to the next one, but the JoJo has to go pee-pee real fast.
Yeah, I do.
And the cover winner of the week, let's announce the cover winner of the week. It is Junk Hunters USA out of Southern California, and he just bought a new dump trailer, and I love it. He got a great deal on it. So that's the cover winner of the week. What's up, man? We're out here hauling and balling. I know you are out there too, so we're heading to the next one. Well, actually, we gotta find her a potty real quick. Then we'll be heading to the next one. So we've been working for how many hours?
It hasn't even been an hour yet.
I know, probably about 45 minutes. I love junk removal, baby. I love it.
So we we are at our third job of the day, about an hour and 15 minutes into our day. And this lady is a repeat customer. I think this is about the 4th time we've come to her house.
So we're just waiting on the customer. She's like 5 minutes away. And I was just thinking, thank God 5 years ago, I wasn't wearing a mask, because in reality, it would have been all bad for real. Why are you laughing? Seriously. You walk in the damn bank with a mask, do all kinds of stuff nowadays with a mask. You don't think that's funny, huh?
Well, I think it's crazy that you have to wear a mask these days.
Yeah.
That's nuts. Or at least you do in California.
Let's see what happens. This lady always tips us all the time. What do you think?
She probably will tip us.
I think so. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. We'll find out. Here she is. She's pulling up.
She loves us.
So here's another small job. It's all this cardboard, plus this mattress and these dog beds. And there's a little bit more cardboard over here that needs to go too. So just like that, job is complete, and JoJo, she gave us a tip.
We knew she would.
How much do you think she gave me though?
$30.
$40, holla! Now we're heading to the landfill. And one thing you guys want to do later on in life, when you guys are hauling junk and trash, is get them buttons. Check this out, JoJo, hit that button right there. We hitting switches over here, baby. Tarping that load, baby. It's all about making life easy for yourself. So we're heading to the dumps right now. And what's your prediction of the dump fee? It's a light one.
It is a light one. I'm gonna say 72.
I'm gonna say $55, and that mattress is just a foam or a Posturepedic mattress, so we ain't gotta pay for that extra fee. So that's what I'm going with. Let's see what happens. Now let's talk trash. And something new we're gonna do once we hit 10,000 subscribers is have a membership you can join. And it's up to you if you want to join. It's gonna be $9.99 per month. But we're still gonna give all these free information and videos for free to you guys. So it's up to you if you want to join and support the channel. And some of the perks are gonna be...
Yeah, we're gonna offer some perks. We're gonna have monthly giveaways for members, and one of the best things I think is we're thinking of having an annual get-together, a members-only annual get-together, where all the junk haulers that are members can get together and bounce ideas off of each other and meet each other. You could say hi to us, and we would offer like food and everything. You just have
we'll
to
feed
get
you
yourself
guys
there.
Yeah,
So I think that would be one of the biggest perks.
And another perk's gonna be the more members we get, we're gonna give giveaways every couple months. It might be a DeWalt chainsaw, might be a Home Depot gift card, it might be a SEO keywords in your website done by the JoJo herself. It all depends on how many members we get. So the more members we get, the more stuff we can do for you guys. So that's something we're gonna do. So if you would like to join, leave a comment down below if you'd be wanting to do that.
Yeah, we'd like to know what the interest level would be in that. It's something we're definitely going to do. So we'd like to know if you would be interested in that. And also, maybe give us some ideas on what some of those perks for members only should be.
Yeah. Now the JoJo asked me why $9.99. And the reason why, it sounds cheaper than $10. So whenever I hit the customer with the price, I always hit it with that 9 in there, because it always sounds a little bit cheaper. And that's the tip of the damn day. What the hell, JoJo?
And for the low price of just $9.99.
She's still making fun of me over here, damn it. I'm gonna beat her with a stick. Where's your stick at? There's one right there. Like, get out of the car, grab me that stick real quick. I'm gonna beat you with it. Now, just for the record, I don't want you guys taking it the wrong way, but I do not beat the JoJo. It is all just for fun and games.
Fun and games?
Fun and games, baby. Woo-hoo-wee! Now, for you guys that don't tarp your loads, look at that. California's gonna get your ass. Now look at that, it was $52 I won, and it feels damn good. Look at the size of that beast right there. It's a nice sized trailer right there. So some you should definitely always keep in your dump truck or your vehicle is some damn teepee, because they have no teepee here in the JoJo DIY drip dry. Now let's talk trash one more time, and JoJo has a couple questions that we got from subscribers, so we're gonna answer them.
Yep, one of them was they were wondering how often do customers ask for the discounts that we offer?
And really, it really ain't that often. Normally we offer the discount when the customer really don't want to go with our price. We might say, hey, we got a curbside discount, we got a cash discount, we got a senior discount. So really they don't ask that often. Maybe every once in a while, maybe when they see it on the vehicle.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
It is our experience that they don't ask for it often.
No.
They don't. You can kind of tell when a customer's on the fence and they're not quite ready to go with your price. And that's when I think it's a good time to offer that discount.
I do believe so. What's the next question?
Well, the next one is one of the subscribers was curious as to, do we use a different phone number for business that we do for personal?
And we don't. I use the same business line as my personal line. I don't talk to a whole lot of guys. I got like 5 good buddies and that's it. So I always answer my phone professionally and I know who's calling me. And when it's a scam phone call, I always act professional and talk to the scammer like it's a customer. So yeah, I use my business line and my personal line as the same phone number.
Yep.
And when we going live, didn't you want to say something about going
Oh,
live?
yeah, because, people will often save their questions. They'll either leave it in a comment or they'll check us out live and ask us then. So we go live the first Friday of every month.
The first Friday of every month. So make sure you guys tune in with those questions and yeah.
Yep, first Friday every month at 4 o'clock California time.
California time. So we're heading to the next job. We want to put that out there, and that's Trash Talk with Matt, Vic, and the JoJo Lena.
So we're at the next job of the day, and let's hope Matt locks it in because it's not really official. He has to go bid the job. So let's see what happens.
So what do you think? You think we got the job?
Yes.
You know we did. Let's check it out, guys. Let me flip this camera around real quick. So it's this fence right here needs to go. These little pieces of furniture need to go. All this stuff right here. These propane tanks are staying. We don't take these at all, or the paints and chemicals. But everything else needs to go. Look at the size of these lemons. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So I know all you guys out there always be hollering, oh, look at the JoJo. She looks so cute. She looks like she's on fire. I know we have 6% of women on this channel. And just for the record, JoJo, how big are my balls? So we're done with that one. That was a 10-minute job. So we're heading to the next job, and we actually got this job from a competitor, one of my buddies from Junkland Hauling. He was too busy doing a hoarder house in Ukiah. He shot the guy my number, so we're heading over there, and yeah.
Yep, and that shows you how important it is to be cool with your competitors because they can shoot you work.
And this guy's gonna be super cheap, and the reason why I think that is because he was talking about he has some recyclables that we can discuss about the price when we get there. So
yeah, there's always little things that a customer will say that will make you be like, yeah, he's probably going to be very cheap.
Yeah, maybe they say I got a truck, I gotta do it myself, but I don't have the time to do it. Or they'll say we have a trailer, but can you come by, or something like that.
Good stuff.
Oh, it's good stuff.
I got good stuff.
You pick up metal? You want some cans? We ain't knocking no price down. So he's moving, so he gotta pay. So we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed that we get the job, and if we don't, you know what? I ain't tripping. Cause we still made some damn good money, baby. So we're heading over there right now. So let's see what happens. Our firstborn, baby. Look how big he is.
Okay, so we are at the next job of the day, and leave a comment down below and let us know if you think Matt's gonna get this job or not. I'm guessing no, just because of how he's letting us know that we can recycle everything and everything is usable, and it's those, you know, classic scenario comments that they make when they don't want to pay anything. We'll see.
So the JoJo thought I wouldn't get the job, but you know, Matt Vic, I'm 2 for 2, baby. Let's keep this money. So now what you guys been waiting for the whole video, how much money we made. Well, what you need to do is pause this video and leave it in the comments down below. Remember, we're in California. I'm gonna give you a second. All right, that's long enough. All right, so what was the grand total for 5 jobs that we did, JoJo?
$12.35.
Plus we got a $40 tip, a big ass lemon, and we spent about how much on gas, you would say?
Maybe about $30 on gas.
And our first dump fee was $52. How much do you think this dump fee is going to be on this one?
55.
55. We still have a little bit of room, so we didn't go to the landfill yet. So we're going to deduct $55 and $52 plus the gas. And don't forget, you got to pay the tax man 24%. So make sure you get your write-offs. And
But that's really good money for being done by noon.
By noon. So hopefully you guys like this video, and until next time, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and keep hauling and balling.